At ATI, we make it easy for you to use the control system that you like with our plug-and-play connectivity. If you're using an Apache or Spectra system, the harness connections are simple. Connect the coiled cable to the laser receivers. Wrap the excess cable around the mast to provide strain relief and connect the other end of the cable to the junction block. Connect the cable junction block to the Apache or Spectra control panel. Then connect the valve cable that controls the slope and elevation hydraulics to the control panel. The cable connectors are clearly marked slope and elevation and should be connected to the corresponding labels on the Danfoss valve. Next, connect the operator's remote switch to the control panel. This switch allows the operator to manually override control of the grading box by controlling raise or lower, tilt left or right, and switch between auto and manual operation. Finally, connect the 12-volt power cable to the control panel and to the battery. You are now ready to make an accurate and stable grade with the Level Best Precision Grader.